Hey y'all, so I am back. So if you want to see how I did this style, then keep on watching. Alright y'all, so I already prepped my hair because I just couldn't do it on camera and I actually needed some help. So with this particular style, if you want to do the zigzag part, I would definitely say have your friend or somebody to part your hair for you and maybe even mold it up, because I did get some help parting, but then I molded it myself, so I feel like I kind of messed it up and then I had to go back and try to fix the parts. Like, it's a whole mess. You can do this style with a straight part, but I feel like if you put a zigzag kind of part or something different, it gives it a little bit of pizzazz and flair. So I did leave my little sideburn pieces down that we will flat iron and curl and do our little, you know, sideburns. And then I also did just this little baby hair swoop. This is how mine looks at the top, and then I did my 2 pigtails. For this style, I did blow dry my hair first before I did it. So this is how the back is looking. I probably need to go in with a little bit of gel and slick it back down because I did sleep on it. So I did already prep this hair yesterday, so now I'm actually gonna put the ponytails on. Hair is from IZI Wigs. It comes in bags like this. So yeah, I'm just gonna take it out, and this is a natural wave, which I thought would be cute because it's not too curly. I haven't taken the hair out at all and tested it out to see. I did get 4 bundles of 30-inch just because I didn't know how full the bundles would be if I needed to add like 1.5 or whatever. Like 2 is probably going to be too thick, but I don't know. If the bundles are thin, then maybe, you know, 2 will be better. But I'm hoping I could just do 1 because that'll be way easier. So let's see. So this is how the hair looks. The ends feel a little bit dry off rip whenever I'm filling them. So I'll definitely probably put some water and concealer on the some water and conditioner on the hair. So let's just see. This is how it's gonna be with 1 bundle. So I will probably do like 1.5 because I probably will want it a little bit fuller. Of course, I will end up combing out this curl. So this is how the curl looks initially, which is really pretty. It's giving me like a 1 curl vibe. But like I said, the ends are dry, and you know, whenever I'm styling this hair, I'm gonna have to wet it down and stuff. So yeah, now I'm gonna get to wrapping my ponytails on. Sorry I couldn't show y'all how I parted my hair and whatever, but just think of it like you doing a regular ponytail. And if you want to do a zigzag part, then have at it, sis. So I'm trying to see if I want to do a bun or if I want to do the genie method, but I feel like a bun is just easier. But I'm gonna try to make my bun not pop up. Like, I'm trying to keep it flat and maybe more wider, so that way it's not, you know, so hard to hide, like, if you know what I'm saying. So I'm just gonna wrap my little buns, and then I will try a ponytail on one side and see what it's giving. And if this doesn't work, then I will end up doing a genie method. But yeah, I'm gonna take this bundle. As y'all know, I don't like to use hairpins whenever I'm doing ponytails and stuff like that because they are just uncomfortable and really unnecessary. So yeah, this cute like this, like this is cute. It's like a little girl, but the ponytails are little girl-ish anyways, but I just thought it was cute. And I haven't tried it with I haven't tried this ever. So yeah, other than my low ponytails that I did that one time. So I'm gonna keep the tracks doubled up, and then I'm gonna take a piece of hair from both of the tracks to start wrapping around the base. So I'm gonna start on this side, and I'm gonna just take this, wrap it around. Y'all know how I do. Easy peasy. Okay, so I'm just wrapping the hair around, and this is the 2 pieces that I took to start off my band. And then once I get to the end of wrapping that around, then I'm going to start wrapping around the tracks. And I'm just speeding through this because this is the same way I always do my ponytails, and you can kind of look and see what I'm doing. I didn't want the video to be too long. So I'm just taking both of the bundles together and wrapping them around. The hair is going to get, you know, a little all over the place, but just keep smoothing it out and working with it. And as you go, you do want to kind of tighten up your tracks so that they are not loose where they will just come off. And this way you won't need any hairpins whatsoever. If you wrap it around loosely, it's not going to stay in place. And whenever you go to comb through your hair and stuff like that, it will come loose. So just kind of tighten it up a bit, but don't tighten it up too much that it's too tight and it's hurting or giving you a headache or anything like that. So I'm just continuing to wrap the tracks around. And then once I get to the end, I'm going to take a piece of hair from the end of the track, from both pieces of the track, and I'm going to use that piece to wrap around the rest of the ponytail to close it off where the tracks are not going to slide loose. So I'm just taking this piece of hair and wrapping it around and pulling tightly as I go so that my tracks are nice and secure. So this is what we getting out of the one bundle. I think it looks good because you don't want it to be too full. Like you want it to still look kind of natural. But I feel like when I wet it, it's just not going to be giving. I don't know. Because I kind of like how it looks like this. But it's giving frizzy. Like, I don't know. I might have to figure it out. But we still have to do our little band wraparound. But I'm going to go ahead and put my bun on the other side. I mean my bun. I'm going to go ahead and put my ponytail on the other side. But if y'all could see, I did leave my bun. And my buns are kind of big. But you can't really see it. And I feel like it also lifts the ponytail up. Like it gives it a little bit more volume. Versus doing the genie method. And also sometimes when I do the genie method, the way that I like to wrap my band around, it makes the ponytail sag. So I don't like that. So yeah. I'm going to take this out, and you can reuse your hair, which is always good. Like, that's why I like to do ponytails and stuff, because you can reuse the hair. You could do a quick weave. You could do a sew-in. You could do whatever. You could do several different kind of ponytail styles. Half up, half down. 2 ponytails, 1 ponytail, high ponytails, low ponytails. Like, get you some bundles for some ponytail styles and stuff like that. Like, it's always good to have some. And I just think it turns out super cute. This is also a really cute style for the summertime. Although it's winter right now, I think it's cute anytime. But this curly hair is definitely real cute, especially for summer. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same on the other side, and then I'll be back. I got both of them on. You can go ahead and do your wraparound thing. But I also wanted to show you that you can put some cute accessories. For this, I'm just going to demonstrate real quick because I would personally suggest to buy 2 of the same packs, or you can do mix match colors on each side, but you can do some cute like this. And then if you do this, you don't even really need to do the wraparound method. So like, let's just say for today, I don't want to do my wraparound. I don't have to. But I think I'm going to do it just to show y'all. I don't know, because I kind of like it with the balls. So you could just wear it like that. Like, that's super cute and simple. But, of course, you can add more to it, which I don't know what I'm putting on today yet. But I could add in, like, a set of these colored ones to match whatever I'm putting on. But in this pack, it came with a black and a white one. So I could put, you know, on each side, depending whatever I'm wearing. But yeah, that's real cute. You could do that. So now I'm going to do my sideburns since, I don't know, I might not do the wraparound method because I showed y'all how to do that plenty of times. So I don't feel like it's really that necessary. So I'm going to take my sideburns. I already did my baby hairs. And y'all know how I do my sideburns, but I'm just going to go ahead and lay them. So I just take my little mini flat iron and do a really tight curl. Like that. Let me see. I hope y'all can see. So I just did my little curl, and then I'm going to take some edge control. I kind of use a mixture of my edge booster by Style Factor and my edge fixer from Kiss. So I used both of these. This is the little mini one, and then this is the Kiss one. So I kind of used both of them because I feel like it just gave me a better hold. Like, I didn't even relay my baby hairs this morning. This is from sleeping on it and everything. So I'm going to take a little bit of the Style Factor one and just put some here. I feel like the Style Factor does have a better hold, but to me over time it does start to get a white cast a bit. So that's why I do like the Kiss one, because it doesn't get that white cast, but together we gonna see what they do, what they giving. And then I'm gonna take this piece and just curl it up. Boom. And then I'm gonna take a little bit and fix this, because it's not all the way laid. So now I'm just doing my baby hairs on the other side as well. So I'm just curling it with my mini flat iron, going in with my edge control, and then just doing my little swoop and making a little circle loop at the end of the baby hairs, because I just felt like this looked cuter than leaving it going into my ear how I normally wear it. So yeah. Okay, so this is giving a look like, even without wetting it down and stuff, like I really like how it looks like this. So I don't know what I want to do, because I really kind of like the curls like this. So I think I'm just going to spray a little bit of water and put a little bit of conditioner without really combing it completely out, because I do like this look, to polish it off. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, it's given. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of my gel. This is from Style Factor as well. I mean, yeah, Style Factor. And I'm gonna put a little bit of gel on the back part of my hair. I can't really see, but yeah, I'm gonna just put some gel back here from where I have slept on my hair. So I want to make sure that that is nice and combed up. And I'm going to take my comb, smooth it out, and do some on this side too. Mostly in that kitchen area, if you will, because you got to keep them dishes clean, sis. And don't mind, I have a burn on the back of my neck thanks to somebody who did my hair and flat ironed it. I ain't gonna put you on blast, but yeah. So this is what it's giving. This side is a little bit more combed out from when I was styling it. So I'm gonna wet it down. Let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna wet it down and stuff, and then kind of like let it air dry, and then I will come back to show y'all the final look. And my bun is showing on this side, so you want to make sure you keep that covered up. And you can also tease the hair or add some hairspray or whatever as well if it's not doing what you want it to do. But yeah, this side looks fuller because it's combed out more, but I'm gonna wet it down and stuff, and then I'll come back. Okay, y'all, so this is the completed look. I didn't even fluff the hair back out. This is just how it looks. I didn't actually wet it down and comb through it. I just kind of wet it down and brushed my hands over it and put a little bit of concealer, and this is how it is looking. You can, I don't know if y'all can see, but I can't feel my ball, so I don't think it's showing, as well as on this side. And I didn't even fluff it out or tease it or anything. And the one bundle worked out good. So if you're gonna do a 2 ponytail style, if you want it to look a little bit more natural, I think 2 bundles will work fine. So you could just get the 2 bundles. But like I said, if you want to do other styles later, then, you know, having some extra bundles won't hurt, because I could still do quick weaves and stuff like that. So super cute. I like how this turned out, and I like the curl pattern of this hair. It's not too curly, but it's not too loose, and I like that it was really easy to style it. And then I'm gonna end up fluffing it out some, but I'm not dressed yet. But yeah, and I like this look as well, so I'll probably just rock some different bollies in my hair, you know, each day or whatever. Or I could just do the clear, because they match with everything. You could get these at your local beauty supply store, not like Sally's, you know, the ones in the hood. So yeah, let me show y'all the back.
J. Rossi made the beat.